Hello students, I have brought very important words for you. Little, a little, the little. Against or versus you can say few, a few or the few. Which are the very important for the examination. It's my request to observe this little so negative sense. I would like to tell you, you are watching this little, this is your negative sense. A little, we just talk about this, that's positive sense, and the little, we talk about this a specific meaning or whatever a small amount is there. If I talk about these words little, a little, the little, I mean they are related with uncountable noun, not plural countable noun. Because I have shown you here, I would like to repeat little, that's negative sense, a little, that's positive sense, the little, that is a specific meaning, whatever small amount is there. These words are related to UCN. UCN, that means uncountable noun. Okay. If I just talk about few, that's negative sense, and the few we just talk about this, that is a specific meaning, or you can say whatever small number is there. These words are related to PCN. But few, a few, the few, these words are related to your plural countable noun. That's right. And UCN, that's wrong, or ACN, that's wrong. Okay. There is water in the pot. You are watching this gap, or in gap you have to fit the four options, and which options is not suitable you have to eliminate. Okay. Water, what kind of noun is this? This is uncountable noun. Uncountable noun, it means few is not, so it's out. A little can sit here, the few no, a few no, so your answers will be B. B will be correct. There are boys in the village. You are watching this gap, or in the gap place you have to fit the options. Which option is not suitable you have to eliminate first. Boys, what kind of noun is this? This is a plural, that's why the little cannot be fitted here. A few can be fitted here, little not, a little not, so your answers will be B. Okay. There is gap aisle in the bottle. Again you are watching this noun. This noun is uncountable, that's why we have to eliminate few first. So few out, the few out, your answers will be B. B will be correct. Okay. My friend gave me gap money he had. That's very special questions for you. My friend gave me money he had. Money, what kind of noun is this? This is uncountable noun. That's why we have to use little, a little, or the little. We will never talk about the few. Why? Because this is already uncountable noun. So the few or few, first we have eliminated. Why? Because this is your uncountable noun. Okay. The little or little, little can be fitted here, or the little can be also fitted here, but we just talk about money. What kind of money? This is uncountable noun, that's your, but this money is a specific. That's why to show the specific meaning we cannot use little, we have to use that little. So your answer will be D. Okay. He has read books of my library. This pronunciation will be read, not we have to pronounce it read. Has read, it's wrong. Has read, we have to pronounce it. He has read gap books of my library. Books, that's your noun. What kind of noun is this? This is a plural noun, or this is plural noun, so we cannot use here little. So first we have to eliminate the little or a little. The few or few. Few indicates negative, that's why we have to cross few, we have to use the few. Why? Because we just talk about books, and what kind of books are specific, that's why we have to use the few. Okay, only gap students pass the examination. Students, this is your noun, and judge it yourself. What kind of noun is this? This noun is a PCN, I mean plural countable noun. That's why we have to use few, a few, or the few, not little. Students, PCN, few, this is your negative, and the few, this is your specific meaning. That's why we talk about the students. The students is a specific, that's why we have to cross first few, and we have to use the few. I mean your answers will be B. Okay.